Replace one or both printheads in the HP Ink Tank 110 series printer if they're damaged or no longer function properly. With the printer powered on and ink levels above the minimum fill line, close the output tray. Open the access doors. On the printer control panel, press the resume button for 3 seconds to move the carriage to the access area. With the carriage in the middle, push down the blue latch to release it. On the damaged printhead, push down to release it, and holding it by its sides, remove it from the printer. Remove the replacement printhead from its package. Remove the orange plug and plastic tape, avoiding the contacts and ink nozzles. Hold the new printhead by its sides and slide it into its slot until it snaps into place. Repeat this process to replace the other printhead if necessary. Push the blue latch down firmly to close it. Close the doors, open the output tray, and then load paper. Open the access doors. Press the power and resume buttons for 3 seconds, and then close the access doors to begin the priming process. If the error persists and the printer does not prime, continue to the next step. On a Windows computer, select the Start button, type HP, and then select your Ink Tank printer from the results. In the HP Printer Assistant, select Maintain your printer. Select the Device Services tab, and then select Align cartridges. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the alignment